Pinging servers in Python. In Python, is there a way to ping a server through icmp and return true if the server responds, or false if there is no response?
If you don't need to support Windows, here's a really concise way to do it. This works because ping returns a non-zero value if the connection fails. The return value actually differs depending on the network error. You could also change the ping timeout in seconds using the DT option. Note, this will output text to the console.
This function works in any OS, Unix, Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Python 2 and Python 3. Edits. Via Predato OS.system was replaced by subprocess.call. This avoids shell injection vulnerability in cases where your hostname string might not be validated. Note that, according to icmp on Windows, this function will still return true if you get a destination host unreachable error. Explanation. The command is ping in both Windows and Unix-like systems. The option N, Windows, or C, Unix, controls the number of packets, which in this example was set to 1. Platform.system returns the platform name. X, Darwin, on Mac OS. Subprocess.call performs a system call. X subprocess.call LSL.
There is a module called piping that can do this. It can be installed with pip. It is pretty simple to use. However, when using this module, you need root access due to the fact that it is crafting raw packets under the hood.
For Python 3, there's a very simple and convenient Python module ping3. Pip install ping3 needs root privileges. This module allows for the customization of some parameters as well.
Using socket package in Python 3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.